Guess what time it is? Yep, it's time for our proportions and percent workout number 23. Today's problem says 3 students solved a problem. Fill in the blanks. What problem were they all solving? So if you are working on your own right now, pause the video and I want you to fill out all 3 number lines. If you are in class, have your teacher pause. I want you to fill out all 3 double number lines. And then when we're done and we want to go through them, hit play and we will go through. Welcome back. Hopefully you've been able to figure out the thinking behind these 3 students. And so I'm going to go through and model what they were doing. So student number 1 we'll do in blue. They have 0 and 0%, 100%. Looks like we're looking for the of here, right? I can kind of get an idea here. And so I'm thinking that my variable for this one is probably going to be right there. Okay. Well, maybe not. Keep looking. Looks like maybe 60%. So maybe they did give us the percent. I think they did. I think we're looking for the, so the 60 would go here. And then the 36 would go here. And that means we are looking for our of number or our total, okay? Because remember, we have percent here, always have 100 here. This is your is, and this is your of, okay? Or your total, okay? So we start here, we have 60 and we went to 20. Well, I know that to get to 20 from 60, we divide by 3. So I'm going to divide 36 by 3. And 36 divided by 3 is 12. Now I can multiply 20 times 5 to get to 100, and 5 times 12 is 60. So I'm hoping that this answer, x is equal to 60. Rather than check right now, I am going to solve the next 2 problems and see if they got something totally different, then I know I'm off base. Okay, so I got my 36 and 60%, my 100% on the right, 0% on the left. We went down to 10% first. So from 60 to 10 is dividing by 6. And so if we take 36 and divide by 6, we get 6. And then I can go from 10% to 100% by multiplying by 10. So I'm going to do 6 times 10 here, and 6 times 10 gives me 60. So student 2 also got 60 for the total. And then our last kiddo down here on the bottom, 36 and 60 again. This kiddo went from 60 to 5. I probably would have had to go to 10 in all honesty, because I divide by 6 would get me to 10, which gets me to 36, and then dividing by, which gets me to 12, for my 10%. Make that 6. 36 divided by 6 is 6, and 60 divided by 6 is 10. So we have a 6 and 10. That means we go down to 5%. We're dividing by 2, and that gives us a 3. So 5% is 3, 10% is 6, which means that if we want to multiply 10 times 10 to get to 100, we can do 6 times 10. If we do 5 times 20, then we can do 3 times 20. Either way, everybody gets to a total of 60. I'm fairly certain 60 is my answer because I've done it 3 times, but let's go ahead and cross multiply and divide just to make sure. So we do 100 times 36 and divide all of that by 60, and we get 60. Good job.